All right, video number 2 for assignment number 2. Just real quick at the end of the last one, we ran out of time, but let's say you had something like 4x. Nope. Let's try again. Something like 5x plus 1 squared. Well, that would be 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 1. And 5x times 5x, well, we could do a little mini game over here. It's 5 times 5 times x times x. That's 25x squared. 25x squared plus 5x times 1, which is just 5x, and 1 times 5x, which is just another 5x, and 1 times 1 is 1, and combine like terms here in the middle, and 25x squared plus 10x's plus 1. These are the same. Those are equivalent expressions. If you had 25x squareds and 10x's and a 1, that's the same as if you had 5x plus 1, and then you squared that. We could watch it in action. 5x plus 1, square it, so we got to do 5x plus 1 down the side. 25x squared. There'll be 5x is here, 5x is here. There. So all of this is the same as the edge squared. But when you have a square, let's say it had an edge of 4, the area is 16, which is the same as 4 squared, which is, when there's 4s here and there. 4 times itself, 4 squared, is 16. So this squared is this. One is the edge, but squared. The other is the area. All right, moving on. We haven't really mixed up the signs very much. What if, let's mix up the signs like this. What if you had 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1? 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times 1, 2x. Negative 1 times 2x, negative 2x. Negative 1 times 1, negative 1. Combine like terms in the middle, they cancel each other. 2x, positive 2x, negative 2x, that's 0. So we end up with 4x squared minus 1. Okay, there's some problems like that in the assignment. And then I threw in some ones at the end that are like this. They're irritatingly not listed in order. I love negative 7s, I guess. Okay, this, I'm noticing, like this should really be written in front of over here because it has a cube on it. But mathematically, it doesn't matter what order you add things in. So it's okay to have this, but it's just not friendly because the highest power is usually in the front, so we can notice it. But whatever. We can still, so what we have to notice right away is this, we're adding all this stuff plus all that stuff. Well, that means we can just combine like terms. This is the easiest case. So we have 5x cubed, 2x cubed, that's 7x cubed. We have 2x, negative 7x, negative 5x. We have negative 7, positive 9, that's 2. And there's also some sort of weird problem. Negative 5x cubed plus 3 minus something weird. Let's do 6x cubed plus 4x minus 10. Now this one, we have to account for the subtraction. So, negative 6x cubed minus 4x, negative times negative 10, positive 10. There's my kid walking by outside in the hallway. Combine like terms. I'm just going to circle them in order. Negative 6x cubed, negative 5x cubed. Combine those. 2x, negative 4x. Combine those.